I hated my shower doors because they had this film on them. It was like etched into the glass, and no matter what, I couldn't get it clean. We're Dave and Karen from Walks on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our two Can-Am motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. I tried Windex, even those Mr. Clean white sponges, and Simple Green, alcohol, bleach. I tried all kinds of things on it, and I could not get that off of there. I finally found a product that works, and I was seriously thinking about replacing the glass with the what they call waterfall looking glass, but I know that would be expensive. So see what you think. Hey Dave, come and take a look at my new shower doors that I cleaned.
Okay. Whoa! Look at that. So, well, the door's there. Wow, that thing looked like there was no glass at all there.
That CLR worked easy. It was easy to use. But that did a nice job.
Holy
You thought it was open, huh?
Yeah.
Yay.
Okay, now we don't have to get new shower doors.
I know. I was hating it, so I was thinking about doing that. But yeah, this stuff works good. And now it's kind of have a slimy feel to it. So when I use the squeegee on it now, it's like real slippery. So
Huh.
you know, well, it was kind of etched with calcium or whatever in before.
Oh, yeah.
So.
Wow. That stuff works good. Unbelievable. It's like that door, I'm looking like that door isn't even there. But I can see my reflection in it.
Mm-hmm. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.